We're ready.
Do you see the viewers? Do you see the viewers?
I don't see them, baby. We're just recording, but we'll post it later, okay?
But I know this is part of cheating. This is supposed to rest. This is supposed to be on top of this.
Well, maybe if you if you put it in the center and then do it again, it'll manifest itself to land in the exact same place, so you'll get a bullseye.
Get a bullseye. Look, it literally just stick. It just literally stick to the center.
Good job.
Dude, see it? It sticks.
Yep.
It pushed the back. I mean, that was cheating, actually. Don't worry. I'm just a little kid, so let me just go here.
There you
That
go.
was enough, dude. So this is supposed to be the 10th one. So if I hit the 10th one, I win. If you hit the 9th one, if you hit the 10th one, you win. So buy this right now. It's from the mall where it's Christmas Eve. Later we're gonna meet my sister to make the gingerbread houses. So buy the gingerbread houses and then get this. It's from the mall. It's from the mall in the United States. Wherever country you was. You have to have a speedboat to go to United States and go to Texas. It's there. It's there. So if you go there, that's gonna be cool. If you go to the mall, it's gonna be cool because there's a toy section. But if you're a baby, you can go. There's a play place at the mall that's only for babies. So bring the baby so they can have fun while you're shopping. So you can have fun while you're shopping.
Yeah.
So you babies.
All right. Tell everybody bye and like and subscribe.
Bye, like and subscribe. I hope you do because I have 0 likes and I have 0 subscribes. So give me to 10 trillions. Actually, 10 trillion likes.
That sounds good. Say bye.
Bye.